Welcome to Appliances by Masood. Today I will tell you about Kenwood steam station, which is also called as steam generator. SSP70 is the model number. How to use? With digital steam control, you can just select the button power on off. Once you on it, then you can select the steam level, which is by pressing three levels. You can high, medium, speed, you can set it, and there is an option of lock and unlock so that you can easily carry this steam station from one place to another place. And this is the temperature knob control: low, medium, high, and maximum. So make it maximum temperature if you want to use steam vertically and horizontally, and you can use this way vertically and this way horizontally. You just have to do the hang the clothes on the wall or on the hanger and just do ironing or steaming like this way for all type of fabrics. It has 600 gram of steam shot per minute and also 140 gram of continuous steam per minute, and it has a ceramic plate which is scratchless, heat resistant. There are two ways of cleaning your descaling your steam station. One is by pressing steam shot button, which releases the calc from sole plate easily, and the other way I will show you in the video how to descale your tank. I will show you how to descale the tank. You just have to turn the upside down of the machine. You will see this black knob. You just have to unscrew, but make sure before you unscrew this one, unplug the cable, electricity wire, and then remove this tank. Fill the maximum water in this 1.8 liter of water tank and just close it properly. Once you close this tank, just again you make this tank upside down, and then you see this knob, just unscrew this one completely. Then once you unscrew this completely, the water will come out with the calc which is deposited inside the machine. So this is how you will clean this water tank, and after this just close it very tightly so that when you use again the water will not leakage. You have to do this thing every single time when you use this steam station. Just clean this way to keep your motor life more durable. Thanks for watching Appliances by Masood. Like, share and subscribe.